The project had its start about several years ago, and we put a pilot project into Victoria, our Victorian office, and to provide automated forecasting and gridded data for the Victorian community, and that went very well. And the Australian government actually awarded us a new policy proposal to roll the system out right across Australia. So we've been doing that since about 2009. And we've now implemented the system in New South Wales, South Australia, Tasmania, as well as Victoria, and we're intending over the next 2 years to roll it out right across Australia as well. In rolling it out, we have to implement the system in a particular state, because each state has its own topography and weather systems and requires a special implementation and a lot of software development. So it takes about a year for each particular state of Australia to actually put the system in. But what it does is, prior to this system, we only were able to provide 7-day forecasts out to about 6 or 7 locations around the country, and they were mainly capital cities. But with this new system, we're able to provide it for lots of rural towns and anywhere in Australia. So 650 towns and cities across Australia will have their own individual 7-day forecasts actually provided by the system, with a scientific input by forecasters on the bench as well. The technologies involved were a modification of a system that an open layers source of system. It was something that had been used for other climate information we were providing, and it enables us to put layer upon layer of information on a GIS. So it's a GIS to web technology, and it enables us to put different layers of different information of maximum temperatures, minimum temperatures, humidity, etc. So the community can, if they like, lock into anywhere and get an instant forecast for that particular location for the next 7 days. In building it, it required several areas of the Bureau. It required a lot of our research scientists who actually had the vision to provide such a system. That there's only one other country in the world at the time that had a system like this. It was the United States, but we had to make dramatic changes from them. So we had a group of research scientists, we had a team of IT technologists as well. We had our forecasters were very closely involved in adapting the system to their particular forecast systems and their own forecast clients and products. And as well as that, we had a large training team, communications team, policy groups. So it was quite a lot of people right across the Bureau of Meteorology that had a big role in implementing what we call a paradigm change of technology.